guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kit Flash and how I made Kit Flash. It is very easy. Today I finished it and I can show you the down part like this. I made two V's, which is my starting letter. When I made it for my Flash and all my heroes. One for Captain America, which I showed before my first video. Then you can see the hairstyle. It just looks like the Kid Flash because the Kid Flash hair is brown color, but I couldn't do brown color because it is a little bit more difficult. So I did yellow, gray, orange color, which is also showed in the Google animation thing. And this also I just drew like Flash also. And the symbol was so cool and not too easy for drawing the symbol. Because you have to make the correct size, plus I drew more than 6 symbols for making this thing. And then the cardboard sheet I showed, which every hero I make like that because only because of this it has some protection. Then there's a colored paper. I did a colored paper here and a glue gun down here. I didn't do any glue gun here, but for my Captain America I did glue there. So guys, if you don't, here you can do Fevicol, but if you have less Fevicol, just do it here because the upper one you can do some design. And this is not shown outside. You can see it's not shown outside. It's shown in the inside. From the inside, I've stuck it, so it won't come out very easily. And hand is like this. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I made it. So you're gonna have this tube. Yeah. Like this tube, it should be same size, 8 of them. No, red color, 8 of them. Then color 2 yellow and 6 red. Okay. Then after that, extra sheet you will just need one A4 size. Then extra sheet you will get an extra sheet. You fold the A4 size. You get one side. You do this all the tubes. Second time also you have to do the tubes. And you get some extra places for this and drawings for all these. This is very easy for making. I just drew like this and I cut the small pieces, upper one. Then I drew it. It is a little difficult for drawing this, but if you think it will be very easy for drawing, and you have so fun from drawing this. Then the symbol also is good for drawing. And I did correct perfection because in white paper I did it. So I'm going to zoom and show you the symbol. See, you can see the correct symbol. Then the face. I can pause the video and see how to draw it. Symbol also I can pause the video and see. And the whole picture I just pause it. Okay, I just pause it and see how to make it. When you want to see the leg, you can see like this. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel and put a like.